Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have my Ipsy Glam bag, so let's get into it and check it out. This is my regular old Ipsy Glam bag. It is $13, but they have added that new $1.99, I think they're calling it a handling fee to it, so it's a $15 bag. We get the bag, we get 5 products, we get to choose one of the products. They are generally deluxe sized samples, but we can get full size products in there. So most of my products are actually outside my bag. My bag is sealed up and looking incredibly flat, but it's a pretty blue. It looks kind of like waves and it has a nice little starfish. When we open it up, the inside is a nice yellow. So that's a nice pretty summer bag. Let's tape the paperwork out. It is soak it all in. That is what that looks like. Do I have the information? Oh, I do. It's 2 months in a row. I'm feeling special. So that'll tell us a little bit about everything that we have in here. And let's just dive right in. We're going to dive right in with my choice, because even in this smaller box that is the $15 box now, see how I slipped that in, we still have a choice. And I have already posted, I'm sure, my Ipsy versus Boxy. And in that, I chose one of their soap bars. And I love soap bars. So when it was one of my options in this, I went for another one. So this one is a different shape. This one says Brilliant Body Bar, and I got it in Citrus Spritz. It smells nice, kind of fresh. They all have kind of a vintage soapy scent to them. I said that when I opened my other one, which was the Jasmine something. It smelled more vintage, but this still, I like the scents of these soaps. That is my first choice. Let's see what it says. It says, soak in the suds. This nourishing body bar cleanses and purifies for all over freshness. It's gentle enough to be used all over on all skin types. Lather up for hydrated, baby soft skin and get lost in the refreshing citrus scent. And it has a $9 value. I mean, I wouldn't pay $9 for a bar of soap, but we're always going to be able to pick them up in their sales for less than that. Next out, we have a Vanilla & Co. What does it say? It's hard to read on there. Miss Flower and Mr. Honey Propolis Rejuvenating Lotion. And this is obviously a little sample. It says it's a deluxe sample. If it were the full-size version, it would be 150 ml and it would be $38. And I can't even begin to read on here anywhere. It says the weight, so I don't know the value of this. Probably $1 or $2. Score all the intense skin-nourishing benefits of honey and propolis, a soothing mixture created by bees, and a lightweight moisturizer that works for all skin types and absorbs fast. A few pumps in the morning and night will leave your skin with the prettiest glowy sheen, no highlighter required. Use this as the last step of your skincare routine, but be sure to follow with an SPF in the AM. So this is a face product? I had to tell you, when it said that a full size was 150 ml, I assumed that it was a body product. Well, it had a good seal on it, but let's see. It's got a really big hole. Can you see that? To be skincare. I'll have to look this up when I go downstairs and see if it's for your face or for your body. Oh, it smells nice. It smells like honey. I like that. Well, it made the back of my hands feel really, really good. So I'll have to see if it's body care or face care, because I've said before, below my neck I can wear almost anything. My body skin isn't even a little bit sensitive. I know, how ironic is that? I can basically wear anything on my body, but my face, I can basically wear almost nothing. It's an amazing yet sad coincidence. Next out, we have a stick. Our stick is Prestige Cosmetics Waterproof Automatic Eyeliner in Smoky Green. That's kind of fun. It's not just black. With one swift flick of the wrist, you can line your eyes in this smudge-proof, ultra-pigmented liner. It goes on smooth and stays on all day for a photo-worthy eyeliner look. And it has an $8 value. It's green, I guess. Maybe it would be easier to tell when I'm not behind all 3 of these lights. It pretty much has a coal look to it. You know, that charcoaly, blackish, slightly green look. It is smooth. It's not really pigmented, but if it's really waterproof, that's kind of nice. Okay, next, are you with me? I thought this was going to be wipes, you know, face wipes, body wipes, some kind of wipes. It is not. It says Head Candy Mini Hair Care Set, Squat Goals, Shampoo, Conditioner, and Leave-In Treatment. Well, that's kind of fun and a great way to ship it, because it keeps it tight, so it keeps the lids from coming off, so you can't have any problems. 3 cheers for good shipping. And if by chance something did go amok, it would be very contained. Oh, it's keratin. We have the shampoo, the conditioner, and the all-in-one miracle spray. That's really, it's really thick, I think. Yeah, when I mix it up, it gets kind of white. That is interesting. So that is what those look like. And the paperwork says that it is the Head Candy Mini Hair Care Set. It has a $15 value. Make room in your shower because this hair care trio is about to become your new go-to for wash days. The shampoo and conditioner will help keep your hair smooth and soft for days, and the leave-in treatment uses amino keratins to strengthen your strands over time. I'm not sure if I'm going to use these, but we'll go ahead and give them a scent because you guys know I don't use keratin too often because I have heard that that can actually lead to breakage if you use it too often. And when I do use it, I generally like to use my Olaplex. It smells very nice. Very, very fresh and nice. I would use this without hesitation, except for my hesitation about the keratin. It smells really good though. And last out, I have, and I think this is the second month in a row. I think I chose last month's and they chose this month's for me. This is a Mosaic Trend Beauty, and it is a full-sized palette again. This is the second month. Now, it says it only has a $12.50 value, which, I mean, that's awesome. Oh, these colors are fun. We've got some neutrals up top, but then they gave us a bottom row of kind of fun color. The top has got a mirror. All right, let me take this eyeliner off the back and we'll see what the quality of a $12.50 palette is. So we have Diverse Pastels, Illusion, Muse, Vibes, Force, Plunge, Design, Store, Element, and Picture Perfect, Composition, Modern Twist, Principle, and Fame. Let's try one of the neutrals, this gorgeous yellow, this really pretty teal shimmer, and you guys know, I'm going straight for the purple. They're pretty darn creamy. I'll tell you that. That's what they look like just on my finger. That is, I chose poorly. Hold on, let me pick another one. That was skin toned. I mean, it's there, but it's absolutely my skin tone. So I went with a darker one. That, okay, well, that is not technically a matte, I don't think. It's got a real sheen to it. That's gorgeous. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. These are beautiful. I mean, this is the one that I swapped it for that I thought was a matte. I don't know if it's coming across, but it's got a real sheen to it. And then those are the other ones. Those are super duper pretty. Also, this one that I called teal, I don't know if you guys can tell, it almost wants to duo to a baby blue. It's really pretty. This is not really a matte. You know what? I'm not sure that this is a matte either. No, it's not. So some of them look like mattes, but they're not. That is really pretty. That is just kind of a more of a skin tone, but it's still got the shimmer to it. It's not really shimmer. What is that? Satin? All right. For a $12.50 palette, it swatches nicely. So we will see how it does with a brush. Super impressed so far though. That is pretty darn awesome for a regular Ipsy bag. Maybe they're upping their game. Hopefully long term, because they raised the prices, maybe they're giving us better products. Hopefully it's not just a flash in the pan while we get used to the new prices, but probably not. So I have this really pretty Mosaic eyeshadow palette that's $12.50, pretty much covers my box. The Vanilla & Co. lotion for some part of my body. The green eyeliner from Prestige. The nice soap, which I know people are like, soap? Yes, I love soaps. And then the set of 3 hair care. So that's my regular Ipsy $15 glam bag. I can't complain about that even a little bit. Super happy with that. Plus, we got the cute little bag with the starfish on it. Okay, let me know below if you were just as happy with your bag. I am super happy with this one. I will put the Ipsy information below if you have any interest, just to make it easier for you. I am in no way affiliated with them. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. I hope you'll consider subscribing if you are not subscribed. Please give us a thumbs up. Helps out there in the algorithms. And I will see you again really soon. Take care. Have a great day, guys.